In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Workspace domain to Squarespace. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Integrating Google Workspace with Squarespace is a powerful way to streamline your website management and business operations. So whether you are using Google Workspace for email, calendar, or other productivity tools, you can sync it with your Squarespace site, saving you time and efficiency. So to do this, primarily you have to set up Google Workspace first. So set up your Google Workspace account. If you haven't already, go to the Google Workspace website and in here, set up your account. After you are done with the entire sign up process, you can access the settings on Squarespace. And inside of the settings under the domains and email category, one of the options is going to be domains. You can also find Google Workspace in here. So Squarespace makes it simple to connect it for your domain. So in the domain section, find the domain that you would like to connect to Google Workspace. And if your domain is already registered through Squarespace, you will see an option to connect it directly to Google Workspace. Simply use the Get Started and follow the prompts. Alternatively, verify your domain, and you will be asked to verify your domain by adding a verification record in the domain's DNS settings. Squarespace will automatically guide you through the process. This will involve copying and pasting a unique code into your Squarespace DNS settings, so use the option here. Then, once everything has been integrated with this domain, they will be connected together. Once your domain is verified, you can create email accounts with Google Workspace, such as support@yourdomain.com and so on. This ensures that all of your email communications come from your custom domains, which looks more professional and improves the deliverability. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.